turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why
What's going on, y'all? I told y'all I was coming right back. I told y'all I was coming back. Excuse my makeup vanity back there. It's a hot mess. I've been over there playing in makeup. Yes, I did another get ready with me. With that BoxyCharm stuff. How y'all doing? Y'all, I got a bunch of stuff I want to share with y'all. I got my Walmart box in for this month. I ordered some stuff from Goof Molecules, y'all. And I ordered some stuff from Temu. Let me tell y'all, I got a bunch of stuff I ordered from Temu, but it's coming in 5 different packages. They was kind enough to let me go back and choose some stuff. So, but it's coming separate, all separate packages. So expect to see one of these videos weekly. So with that, let's open the Temu first. I tried to order, and they shipping is fast, really fast. I guess because of how much stuff I ordered, why it's coming in so many different packages. But yeah, here we go. Here we go. This looks like the pot I ordered, y'all. I don't have a rice cooker, so I'm thinking this might be the perfect solution to that. And if y'all ain't been shopping on Temu, where y'all been shopping at? Because they stuff is so cheap. And a lot of the stuff I seem to get from Amazon is on Temu. I think I ordered a cell phone case too. And they like, what, $22, $24 on Amazon? It was like $3.97 or $4.97 on Temu. So I can't wait for the rest of the stuff to come to share with you guys. Oh, look at this pot. I didn't know it came with a little spoon. Well, look up there. It's a little wooden spoon. Look at there. A pot cleaner. Yeah, we gotta open this. And this was like $8? $9? $8 or $9. Look at there, some pot scrubbers to clean the pot with. A little bitty spoon, like a soup spoon. This could be like a 1 teaspoon spoon. And I don't know what these, oh, chopsticks. I don't know how to eat with chopsticks, but they reusable plastic chopsticks. Okay, rice, come on through. I probably won't be using the chopsticks because I don't know how, but it won't hurt to practice. This is so neat for the price. Multifunctional electric rice cooker, an instructional manual. And this is a manual telling you how to use it. Girl, I am blown away already. A little bowl to eat out of too. Really, y'all, they did the most. And the bowl matches the spoons. Girl, $8, $9, might have been $7. I don't remember. And here is the little rice cooker. Girl. And I've been eyeballing one at Walmart. That was like $26 and I never got it. Look at this. This is too cute. I guess you can steam. Yeah, you can steam something in there too. A little steamer dish like broccoli and put it on top, put water in there. And I'm assuming the top, yes, you can steam in that pot. This is nice. For $8, $9, girl. And that other top. And it's different colors. I just chose pink. Nothing in my kitchen is pink, but I chose pink. Hold on. Sorry about that, y'all. Recruiters are always calling me. And it's time for me to go back to work. So, and that call was really good because it's either Houston or Dallas. Let's get back in the video, okay? Before I start talking. But yeah, I don't know where we stopped at, but I like the little rice cooker. I like the little bowl. And, oh, I was plugging in the cord, the power cord. And this is super light. This is really, really light. I guess I didn't plug the cord in. I guess I didn't really plug the cord in. Oh yeah, I can put this in my pantry. There we go. store it in my pantry. And it's just got an on and an off switch. And I've never used a rice cooker, so this will be good to use. Let me keep that instruction in there. And I will let you guys know. Maybe I'll do my first little, what do you call it, y'all? Short, using that pot. Okay, yeah. Let's get into what I got in my Walmart box. This is a beauty box for winter 2022. I got this the 1st of December. I mean the 1st of January. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all know I be holding stuff. See? But I know I hadn't had it that long. I don't know why. Winter of 22. Does that include January? Because that would be like, I don't know, y'all. But I'm telling you, I just got it. It's a Winter Wonders. And it's got a little booklet about the stuff that's in here. And the first thing I see is a Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara by CoverGirl. There go my half of my $6. No, the box was $5. Now it's like $6 and some change. And then I got a Completely Smooth, a shave gel. Wow, no bump shave gel. And that's what I like about this Walmart box, because you can find stuff in these boxes that you might want to use and go to Walmart and just pick it up, okay? And this I know is good. Cetaphil Healing Ointment. Dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Now this, see what I'm talking about? You might see this in Walmart and be like, I'm going to give this a try. And then get home and don't like it. Yeah, I am a fan. I am a fan. Oh, yes. It look kind of like Vaseline. Feel like Vaseline. I put too much on my hand, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to open nothing there. Okay. Yes. Okay, Cetaphil. Alright, for these winter months. This going in my purse. If I was a little ashy. Alright, Walmart box. And the next thing I see in here is this facial toner. This Thyers facial toner. I've seen this in Walmart, but I never tried it. It's got witch hazel in it. This going on my vanity. For use, yes. Oh girl, this is really oily. And then I got 2 Liquid IVs. Y'all know how much I love Liquid IV. I seriously stand by Liquid IV. And these are tangerine. I never tried tangerine. This must be a newer flavor. But it's going in a water bottle today. And the last thing in this little $6 water box, water burger. I don't know why I got a water burger in mine. Y'all been gone from Texas for so long. In this Walmart box is a Heritage by Mindy McKnight. What is it? Oh, a standard satin pillowcase. Alright, you already done made my BoxyCharm base box look bad. That's okay. For $6. And it's a satin pillowcase. Yes. Okay. And I got just the pillow to put this on my bed. It feels good too. Satin pillowcase. I'm cool with that. Alright, Walmart. Okay, y'all. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is what I got from Goof Molecules. I'm going to show y'all the first thing. Now, y'all remember, so y'all know if this was really doing Christmas. I can't tell y'all no tale about that. Because they was giving away the Goof Molecules refrigerator if you made a certain purchase or a group purchase. And I got me one, y'all. But y'all know Christmas was crazy. And I didn't get to unbox this or share it with you guys then. So it's just been sitting up here since I got it. But if y'all was on YouTube and watching people's videos, Goof Molecules sent a lot of these things out to people. Of course, y'all know I ain't on nobody's list, so I ain't getting them. But I went to their site. And they had, if you order, I think it was like just $26 worth of products. But I think I ordered a bigger bundle. I think I spent like $50 on products. I've been wanting to try Goof Molecules, and I didn't really need a refrigerator, so my daughter gave me one. She was doing teeth whitening, and when she stopped, she gave me her fridge. But I'm gonna put it up for her. Y'all know how kids are. They doing something one minute, the next minute they let it go. So I got the Goof Molecule fridge, and it's huge. This thing is huge. It's way bigger than what I anticipated. Okay. That's the cord. Even for my little eye stuff, the little thing right there. Yes, I'm cleaning up my bathroom and making room on my counter for this little fridge. And it's got a little thing here where you can carry it. And I'm going to put my daughter's in the shed. In the shed. Oh, and it's cold or hot. See, you can heat it up to cold or you can put it on hot. All right. And it's got a DC charger. A DC charger and a 12 volt. And I can put this in the car. And it'll still keep whatever I got in here cold or warm. All right. I like this. I like this. Thank you, Goof Molecules. You might as well say it was free. I don't know how much the regular price was because I did make an order. And this is the stuff that I ordered. Their packaging is on point. I was hoping it was a price in here, but I think I spent $50 something. Cause it was like sets. They had everything in sets for the I guess it was the Christmas season. So let's see what I got. Yeah, I got more stuff than I remember. I know I didn't need this much skincare, but I really want to try their products. The first thing I see is the Wake Up UV Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. Okay. I ain't gonna try to read this stuff, y'all, but I'm gonna show it to you. This is the eye gel. This is what it looks like, a Wake Up Eye Gel. Reduces signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. Yes, this gonna start getting used right away. Right away for them little bitty lines. You see them in my founder? Okay, the next thing I got is a hyaluronic acid serum. It said delivers deep hydration to plump the appearance of fine lines. Yeah, I think I got the aging set. That's what I think I got. Anti-aging set. Because they had a lot of little sets with different little names. Alright, this is the hyaluronic acid. Let's see what else we got. Discoloration and correcting serum formulated with Centol. I can't say that, y'all. Let me let y'all see it. That's what this looks like. Discoloration. I wish they had put the prices and stuff so I could tell y'all. It's in a dark container. I need to start using this for my spots and dots. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean up my bathroom and go through my stuff and just use all the Goof Molecule products until they're gone. Now I got two of these. I don't know why. Niacinamide Bright Toners. Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, two other things I can't say. A licorice root extract to brighten and improve the appearance of large pores. Y'all, I done ordered some stuff that I didn't even know I ordered. Okay. And it's in a dark bottle. And these bottles are glass, y'all. This is what it looks like. If this is as good as I think it's gonna be, girl, I'm gonna start. I hear good things about Goof Molecule. I just never used the products. And this is 2 niacinamide serums formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. My light went out. I don't know why. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, niacinamide serum. Alright, y'all. Y'all be looking at my skin now. If it start getting good, don't say, girl, tell me what you using. It's finna be all this. Niacinamide facial cleansing mist, a soft fiber cleansing mitt that gently removes makeup with or without cleanser. I don't think I ever had a cleansing mitt. Girl, you get 3 of them. Oh, and they're real soft. Okay, Goof Molecules. I'm a fan. I am a fan. Okay, I cannot wait to get started using this stuff. Now that I've opened the box, it's been sitting here for a few months, but now it's open. I'm ready. I am ready. And I got so many moisturizers. Girl. Okay, let me get up from here, y'all. I got to get out the door and get to this interview for a preceptor. And I'll be back and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.
Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah.